Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Good to have you. And here it is, how to choose success without regret. Do you wish you could just have more than you're currently getting out of life? If you're not willing to make the right choices, then this is not for you. I'm going to explain what is required to have success and have no regret in life. So, success without regret, here you go. Subscribe if you find value here. Where you are in life right now is exactly where you chose to be. Whether you believe it or not, whether you accept it or not, that is the reality of the situation. There's a plethora of opportunity, access, and information out there for you to become successful, for you to build the life that you want. But the truth is that you don't think it's possible and that you're uncomfortable with the life that you have. You're comfortable with the life that you have. Therefore, you live and operate accordingly. Now, if you want a better life, you have to make better decisions. And I continue emphasizing this point because a lot of you guys don't seem to understand. And since it's a good point, I have to make the point over and over. And in order for it to be implanted into your brains in a permanent fashion. So the life that you have is the life that you chose. And where you are right now is by choice. Just like I'm sitting here right now, I chose to be here. But I put my video game character here. Where's your video game character right now? Where is it you have positioned it to be? What can't you do? What's holding you back? The system, the man, the woman, the ideology, the culture, all that stuff. If you want to be a high tier individual, you have to live your life on your own terms and be the main character in your life. And you need to start living with intention. You need to start moving and operating with a lot of power, and you need to move as if you own this place, and you will soon do that because somebody else was able to do it. And if somebody else was able to be successful in the past, why can't you be that person? So, where you are right now in life, whether you believe it or not, is where you chose to be, and that is the truth. So, my friends, where do you want to be? Where do you want to be? That is the question. Answer it today, because where you are right now is a choice. Choose differently, and you will have different things. I keep telling my rich friends, come travel with me, come do this stuff, because let's explore, because slowly but surely, I'm helping them understand this. And that to become truly wealthy, you must operate beyond the bounds of money. You must operate beyond the bounds of what I would like to call the status quo. The status quo is a person that lives life reactively, not proactively. So a person of proactive behavior is an individual that in a situation where they control the decision, they are in that position in life where they are making decisions and living their individual lives in tune with their purpose. And on the other hand, you have reactive individuals. Now, the reactive individual lives a life that is most likely based off of reaction and not proaction. So if you want the better life and make better choices, you have to be proactive. So subscribe to the channel if you find value here.